Alright, looks like it's going to be plastic welding. Well, okay, that's the passenger side. Free. Other assembly I didn't install yet. Okay, I got to put UV protectant on that side. Still got to swap out that HID with that halogen assembly. That was kind of modified for, yeah, the ballast that's not needed. Well, what did I think? I was like, okay, what's local? Check out my local yards always. Always check out your local yards, call them. If nobody answers, go there and ask and look around and see. And if you got the time, at least, if you got the money, you'll spend it however you want to with your time. If you got the time, well, save your money if you can. Unless you got a lot of it, then buy new stuff and send it to the yard eventually for us that can use the parts. But anyways, this one was out there. I was like, well, I'll look for a front end collision. Found it. So, and then this one's pretty beat up, and this one's in better condition. And you can't beat it. Got quoted 10, I bickered a little bit, got a better deal. So, try it, see.